Assalamu alaikum. Respected teachers and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Hila from MCQ class. Today I am going to tell you a story. My story name is Two Cats and a Monkey. Once upon a time there were two cats. They were good friends. They got a piece of bread while sharing. They made big and small pieces. So they began to fight for bigger piece. Assalamu alaikum.